Hey, Ray from Marina here. A lot of folks that don't realize how to open a pontoon boat door. It's really two kinds of hinges or latches for these or fasteners. One is there's a hinge lock here, which I lift at the hinge. I lift that door up and down, pull it out of its little lock over here at the base of the fence panel, and open it and leave. Same to close. I also have another type, which is, it has a little door latch here that I can open up, make my way in, and to close it again, put it back and close it, and it stays shut. A bunch of different ways to skin this thing. A lot of folks, different manufacturers have all a little bit of a twist, a different latch, but they're all about the same. You do have to open them by either lifting them or by opening that latch and coming through. Anyway, thanks for watching.